Welcome to Lokhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on Aadhaar Card Supervisor / Operator Exam Question and Answer in 2021. Presented by Lokhidev Das 9101046197. Director Krishnaguru Computer Training Center KCTC Okajan Santipur Okajan Dhemaji Assam Pin 787059. Question number 1. The registrators and enrolling agencies shall only use the enrollment / up-to-date software provided or authorized by the DES. Option A operator, option B UIDAI, option C supervisor, option D resident. The right answer is option B UIDAI. Question number 2. DES coordinates the onboarding process of operator / supervisor with registrators and EAS. Option A operators, option B observers, option C authority head office or authority regional office, option D enrollment agency. The right answer is option C authority head office or authority regional office. Question number 3. DES to capture coordinates of the enrollment device needs to able at all times. Option A television, option B GPS device, option C FM radio. The right answer is option B GPS device. Question number 4. DES monitors the approval of enrollment center plan and may intervene where required. Option A registrators, option B authority head office or authority regional office, option C observer, option D operator. The right answer is option B authority head office or authority regional office. Question number 5. DES declares enrollment station development plans, that is when and where the centers will be established before opening any enrollment center. Option A registrator, option B authority regional office, option C enrollment agency. The right answer option D observer. The right answer is option C enrollment agency. Question number 6. DES needs to ensure and prove that they have certified the active operators requested machines and hardware to be deployed at enrollment center. Option A registrator, option B authority regional office, option C introducer, option D enrollment agency. The right answer is option D enrollment agency. Question number 7. DES updates enrollment center information on the UIDAI portal. Option A enrollment agency, option B authority regional office, option C introducer, option D registrator. The right answer is option A enrollment agency. Question number 8. DES needs to be connected to the internet during the process of onboarding. Option A enrollment client, option B operator supervisor introducer, option C registrator, option D introducer. The right answer is option C enrollment client. Question number 9. Enrollment client needs to be connected to the DES during the process of onboarding of enrollment staff. Option A Ethernet, option C registrator, option C internet, option D observer. The right answer is option C internet. Question number 10. Enrollment agencies will have to undergo an onboarding process for DES. Option A authority regional office, option B self-enrollment station and enrollment staff, option C completion of enrollment, option D updation activity. The right answer is option B self-enrollment station and enrollment staff. Question number 11. For an onboarding of operator / supervisor, the user credential file generated is a digitally signed dash files. Option A MP3, option B docs, option C .xls, option D .xml. The right answer is option B .xml. Question number 12. If verification of users' biometric details is successfully completed with his/her Aadhaar details and stored in local database, he is a dash user. Option A onboarded, option B annulled, option C both 1 and 2, option C not annulled. The right answer is option C both 1 and 2. Question number 13. When the quality of biometric is above threshold, dash will be shown to user confirmation his/her approval. The option A pass indicator, option B left slap, option C right slap, option D 2 thumbs. The right answer is option A press indicator. Question number 14. After biometrics of operator/supervisor are captured on enrollment client, authentication request is sent to dash server. Option A registrator, option B enrollment station, option C authorities, option D enrollment agency. The right answer is option C authorities. Question number 15. Dash is not required while on onboarding discrimination for the operator/supervisor. Option A status of identity, option B pass indicator, option C status, option D biometric confirmation. The right answer is option D biometric confirmation. Question number 16. Only after successful verification of biometrics of operator/supervisor with CIDR the user dash is allowed to proceed. Option A enrollment button, option B onboarding, option C discretion, option D authentication. The right answer is option D onboarding. Question number 17. Authority headquarters or authority regional offices coordinate with dash the non-boarding process of enrollment staff. Option A enrollment station, option B enrollment clients, option C registrator and enrollment agencies, option C observers and introducers. The right answer is option C registration and enrollment agency. Question number 18. During the local biometrics verification, the biometrics provided by the dash are verified from the biometrics stored in the enrollment client. Option A enrollment agency, option B operator/supervisor, option C registrator, option D user. The right answer is option B operator/supervisor. Question number 19. If the verification of user biometric details is not successfully completed and not stored in the local database, it will appear as dash in status. Option A on board, option B annulled, option C not annulled, option D withheld. The right answer is option C not annulled. Question number 20. Enrollment agency will up-to-date enrollment center information on the dash portal. The latest URL needs to be confirmed by the dash. Option A enrollment station registrator, option B operator/supervisor authority regional office, option C QAMIS portal nodal officer, option D MNG AREGA website enrollment agency. The right answer is option C QAMIS portal nodal officer. Question number 21. For dash and dash on boarding and local biometrics verification is mandatory for login onto the enrollment client. Option A Option A, introducer, registrator. Option B, operator supervisor. Option C, enrollment agency, enrollment client. Option D, introducer, registrator. The right answer is option B, operator / supervisor. Question number 22. During authentication, biometrics of the supervisor, operator / supervisor are compared against the biometric provided by them during the time of their own death. Option A, association. Option B, enrollment. Option C, declaration. Option D, hearing. The right answer is option B, enrollment. Question number 23. The enrollment client check that the operator / supervisor are not dead or dead and restricted them from onboarding. Option A, suspended, blacklisted. Option B, associated, onboarded. Option C, none of the above. Option D, both 1 and 2. The right answer is option D, both 1 and 2. Question number 24. The operator / supervisor can be onboarded on multiple enrollment clients without the association. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option B, false. Question number 25. Blacklisted operator / supervisor can be allowed to work using defined certificate. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option B, false. Thank you so much.